Hey students, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do 4 different types of plank exercises. Planks are an exercise that strengthen your abdominals, those muscles in your stomach area. When you're doing the plank exercise, make sure you keep your body in a straight line from your feet all the way up through your shoulders. You don't want to let your hips drop too low, but you also don't want to let your hips get up too high. You should feel your abdominals or those stomach muscles squeezing tightly the whole time you're doing a plank. This first plank is called a straight arm plank. Get your hands right underneath your shoulders and keep your body in a straight line from your shoulders down to your feet. It's like you're beginning a push-up. The second type of plank is called a forearm plank. You want to bend your arms at the elbow so your forearms are down on the ground and your elbows are right underneath your shoulders. Keep your body straight and squeeze those stomach muscles. The next plank is a side plank. Get your forearm on the ground again with your elbow underneath your shoulder and your body sideways. Make sure it's still a straight line. You can do the side plank on your left side and on your right side. Finally, we have the back plank. You want your belly button facing the sky with your hands on the ground directly under your shoulders, your body still in a straight line, and your stomach muscles still squeezing. So that's how you do planks. Try all 4 of those out on your own and see how you can do with them. When I come back in the next video, I'm going to challenge you to see if you can do all those different types of planks with me for 4 minutes with only a few short breaks in between. See you next time.